Right now, a quiet revolution is happening in medicine. We're moving from treating disease to building health. And it starts with a simple idea that prevention can be proactive, personalized, and measurable. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Egler, Chief Medical Officer at Noom, and I'm excited to tell you about our new program, one that goes beyond weight loss and is designed to support anyone looking to improve their long-term health. We're proud to introduce Noom's Proactive Health Microdose GLP-1ᴿń program, a groundbreaking approach to whole person well-being. It's our most comprehensive solution yet. It combines personalized doses of GLP-1 medication, convenient at-home lab testing, and Noom's proven lifestyle support to help you take control of your health from the inside out. The program brings together 3 powerful tools. 1, Microdose GLP-1 medications, smaller, smarter doses designed to reduce side effects while maintaining results. GLP-1s do more than quiet food noise and support weight loss. 2, regular at-home biomarker testing. You'll gain insights into markers of longevity and preventive health, so you can see your progress over time. And 3, lifestyle support through Noom's digital companion. We help you build the small daily habits that make change last. Because medication opens the window, but it's habits that make it permanent. Together, they create a powerful feedback loop. Medication delivers early results, progress builds motivation, and motivation fuels more action. When food noise quiets, people think more clearly, move more, plan better meals, and rediscover what feeling good actually feels like. That early success builds momentum. Momentum builds motivation. And over time, motivation reshapes identity. It's a virtuous cycle, one that makes healthy living feel effortless. Regular blood tests give members a clear picture of their inner health and the progress they're making towards a longer, healthier life. Noom's Proactive Health Microdose GLP-1ᴿń program helps you take control of your well-being. Not just how you look, but how you feel, think, and age. So if you're ready to move beyond weight loss toward whole person health, learn more at Noom.com.